Print service providers around the world are already taking advantage of HP's production printer, the HP DesignJet Z6100. The demo we're presenting today will show you what they're raving about and why the Z6100, along with top finishing equipment from Fotoba, is providing a complete solution in real, everyday situations to professionals in this market. We've received a rush job from one of our high-end retail clients who needs 4 copies of their fashion cosmetics campaign printed on backlit. The nature of the job requires top image quality to show true skin colors and details, even when looking up close. It also requires a quick turnaround. We have to offer a competitive price, a factor difficult to control when producing a small number of prints. The file the client provided is ready to print, and no retouching is needed. We get right to it. In our example, we're using an onyx rip for nesting and adding the cutter marks, but other rips, such as Caldera, can be used. I open the file using the onyx rip and add cutter marks around the images, which will be used later on by the Fotoba cutter. I'm adding a 6mm or about 1/4 inch margin to the cutter marks. This margin can change depending on the images and the job. Then I select the image file and choose the media, printing size, and number of copies. We're ready to print. While the printer is doing its job, let's have a look at some of the different media options that are available. We've printed the job on backlit media, but the HP DesignJet Z6100 is compatible with a wide range of media, with up to 50 different types to choose from, many of them truly point-of-purchase oriented, such as textiles, heavy-coated, and self-adhesive, amongst others. We will proceed with the cutting process with the DigiTrim Automatic Cutter by Fotoba. Thanks to its optical sensors that accurately read the cutter marks between the images, the DigiTrim Cutter offers precise cut copies for a perfect finished job. The process is simple. We load the printed images first in a horizontal direction and then vertically to finish the cut. The cutter even fixes any misalignments for us, no deviation, which ensures that our client will have no problems when placing the backlit prints into the exhibition boxes. As you noticed, the copies are all exactly the same size. Let's take a look at how long it's taken us to prepare this job. So, why choose the HP DesignJet Z6100 printer series together with the DigiTrim Fotoba cutter? High image quality, comparable to silver halide prints. Lower job cost, especially when printing on backlit media and small number of copies. Quick turnaround time, which helps me meet my deadlines and makes my clients happy.